Welcome back. Former Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank Ramchandra Mule may face trouble in 46 crore loss matter. Report by the bank's probe committee has inferred that Mule was responsible for waiver of loans worth 46.67 crores without following RBI guidelines. Report was tabled before the general body on Sunday. Meet decided to issue a show cause notice to Mule for financial mismanagement. General body has also consented to hand over the cases of other former directors to the Central Registrar for probe.
Goa State Cooperative Bank held a special general body meeting to discuss the alleged scams during Ramchandra Mule's regime as the chairman of the bank. Inquiry report was tabled by committee constituted under chairmanship of Ullas Fardesai. Report revealed that Mule was responsible for waiver of loans worth 46.67 crores under various schemes like the OTS.
OTS सोडल्या ते 18.47 crores. दाम दुप्पटा सोडल्या ते 15.26 crores. आणि others 12.93 crores. All together 46.67 crores. हे amount हे जाल्ले कडेन आसा. Loss to the bank. हाजे वयल्यान एक लॉस म्हणपा जाता की पूण हे जे पयशे सोडल्यात ते RBIची गायडलायन्सा प्रमाणे न्ही, सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्रारचे परमिशन ना. सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्रार मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक आसल्या कारणान ताका सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्रार लागता. आनी असली ज्यो वेव्हार स्कीम आसात त्यो स्कीम्स RBIन हे करचे पडटात, डायरेक्ट करची पडटात. ती स्कीम RBIन डायरेक्ट केल्ली नाशिल्ली.
After discussion on inquiry report, general body decided to issue a show cause notice to former chairman Ramchandra Mule for allegedly causing loss of 46.67 crores to the bank. Committee claimed that they found prima facie evidence against Ramchandra Mule.
आज prima facie inquiry report एसआल प्लेस जाले. तातूंतलो रिक्रुटमेंट ऑफ स्टाफ हो रिपोर्ट आसा तो डिफर जाल्ले कडेन आसा. तो एन्युअल जनरल बॉडी मिटींग येतलो. आनी सद्याक सेक्शन 47 अंडर सेक्शन 47 ऑफ मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक ताजे अंडर सद्याक चेअरमॅनाक एकट्याकच शो कॉज नोटीस इश्यू करपाची. एक्स चेअरमॅनाक शो कॉज नोटीस इश्यू करपाची अशें थारलां. आनी बाकीची जी इन्क्वायरी आसा त्याच क्वांटम अजून फायनलायज जाले कडेन ना. क्वांटम म्हळ्यार ओवरऑल क्वांटम फायनलायज जाला ते आमी अंडर मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह एक्ट प्रोविजन आसा 78 त्या 78 सेक्शना अंडर ह्यो केजी हें इन्वेस्टिगेशन आमी सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्राक दिवचें. सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्राचो हांगा नॉमिनी म्हणून स्टेट रजिस्ट्रार आसा ते आनी तांकां एम्पावर करत तें इन्वेस्टिगेशन ते कंप्लीट करतलो. आनी तेजे नंतरच तें आयले नंतर फुडलो बाकीचे कोण इन्वॉल्व आसा तांचेर एक्शन जावपाचें हें जातलें.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Vice Chairman Anand Vernekar is all set to become the chairman of Goa Marketing Federation. Election for the post of chairman is scheduled on Monday. After resignation of Chairman Narayan Naik, meeting was held to elect the chairman, but it was postponed for want of quorum. Sources claim that Anand Vernekar has the backing of Corporation Minister.
Election for the post of Goa Marketing Federation chairman is highly debated after resignation of former chairman Narayan Naik. Meeting was called to elect chairman. Out of 7 directors, only 2 directors attended the meet. Some of them had off-camera condemned the political interference in the functioning of the federation. Vice Chairman Anand Vernekar is now set to become new chairman of Goa Marketing Federation. Sources say he has the backing of Corporation Minister Deepak Dhawlikar. Election for the post of chairman is scheduled on Monday. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
The old and forgotten municipal building is posing a threat to the commuters. Social activist Rayson Almeida has filed a complaint with the South Goa collector to raise the structure or repair it. He has demanded that old shopkeepers housed in the building should be rehabilitated. People had complained that despite several complaints to the concerned authorities, no action was being initiated.
This is the old municipal building of Margaon located near the old market. It looks like a typical old Portuguese mansion. It was also known as Cambre. It once housed the Margao municipality during Portuguese regime. One side of the building wall has already collapsed. Now the remaining debris are spilling on the main road.
The old building as a wall already collapsed, but authorities has failed to act on that. That's why I lodged a complaint before the collector, asking collector to get this wall down. Otherwise there will be a big problem. Ki जातले लोग थी मोरपा लागतलो. Immediately या पासाचे तर या मान्सूना समज बिल्डिंग सकल पडली. या होली स्पिरिट इसला भुरगे वयताय. Public pass आता it's a busy road. किते तरी ट्रेजरीज आसनो पहिले किते प्रिकॉशन घेवपा जाय म्हण I filed a complaint before the collector.
People have demanded that government should either ensure that the building is repaired or raise it down. Raisin Almeida said, authorities should act before any tragedy strikes passerbys on the main road. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.